The Pakistan Stock Exchange, PSX, witnessed a turbulent week, with the KSE 100 index shedding 4,340 points, marking a minus 3.69% weekly decline. The index started the week at 117,586.98 and closed at 113,247.29, amid concerns over macroeconomic instability and reduced investor confidence. Monday, the 6th of January, the market began with a decline of 1,332 points, minus 1.13%, ending at 116,255.12, despite hitting a high of 118,735.09. Trading volume stood at 370 million shares, valued at PKR 26 billion. Tuesday, the 7th of January, the index shed another 202 points, minus 0.17%, closing at 116,052.68, with increased activity of 401 million shares worth PKR 31 billion. Wednesday, the 8th of January, the index dropped to 114,148.45 after a sharper decline of 1,904 points, minus 1.64%, reflecting dwindling investor sentiment. Volume dropped to 254 million shares. Thursday, the 9th of January, the bearish trend persisted as the index lost 1,510 points, minus 1.32%, closing at 112,638.26. Trading activity remained subdued with 269 million shares exchanged. Friday, the 10th of January, a modest recovery of 609 points, plus 0.54%, provided some relief, with the index closing at 113,247.29. Trading volumes declined further to 216 million shares, valued at PKR 19 billion. Top 7 active stocks led the market in average weekly trading volume. WorldCall Telecom, WTL, closed at PKR 1.75, gaining 2.94%, with an average weekly volume of 181.24 million shares. Nagico PK, CNERGY declined minus 11.52%, closing at PKR 6.68. Weekly volume averaged 53.62 million shares. Fauji Foods Limited, FFL, dropped minus 11.54% to close at PKR 17.09, with 35.38 million shares traded on average. K Electric Limited, KEL, fell minus 7.92%, closing at PKR 4.77, with a weekly average volume of 34.43 million shares. PAC Electron, PAEL, declined minus 5.54% to PKR 41.74, averaging 21.82 million shares. PAC Refinery, PRL, dropped minus 13.50% to PKR 37.34, with a volume of 21.43 million shares. Sway Southern Gas Co., SSGC, closed at PKR 39.93, losing minus 11.27%, with 18.20 million shares traded. Top 7 gainers stocks with the highest percentage gains, with volumes over 100,000, included PSX Insurance Limited, PIL, gained 33.33%, closing at PKR 3.24. Paramount Moderaba, FPIM, up 21.2%, closing at PKR 10.06. JS Bank Limited, JSBL, increased 14.76% to PKR 10.73. Engro Holdings XSD, Ingro, rose 14.73%, closing at PKR 248.16. Asim Textile Mills, ASTM, gained 13.79%, closing at PKR 16.75. Hasib Wakas Sugar, HWQS, increased 9.43%, ending at PKR 12.07. Sakran Sugar, SKRS, gained 7.66%, closing at PKR 12.08. The most significant losers, with volumes over 100,000, were PAC Stock Exchange, PSX, declined minus 23.47%, closing at PKR 28.21. JS Momentum ETF, JSM FETF, dropped minus 22.73%, closing at PKR 13.46. BF Biosciences, BFBIO, fell minus 21.30%, closing at PKR 191.19. Chackwal Spinning Mills, CWSN, declined minus 20.92%, ending at PKR 62.71. Wellboy Energy Limited, OBOY, dropped minus 19.02%, closing at PKR 8.6. Ghani Chemicals, GCIL, lost minus 18.12%, ending at PKR 15.63. Sidixon's Tin Plate, STPL, fell minus 17.16%, closing at PKR 5.89. The PSX struggled with weak economic fundamentals, as investors remained cautious amid rising inflation, policy uncertainty, and geopolitical tensions. Despite a minor rebound on Friday, the bearish momentum overshadowed the market. Trading volumes averaged 302 million daily shares, with a total weekly value of PKR 22 billion.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it.